The Tower of Babel is a biblical account. It attempts to explain the origin of the multiplicity of spoken languages. The story suggests that God confused humans by changing their native tongues while constructing a very tall structure to avoid a second flooding. In Genesis 11 verse 1, it says, "Now the whole earth had one language and the same words." In verse 7, the Lord says, "Come, let us go down and confuse the language there, so that they will not understand each other's speech." This is why the narrative is titled The Tower of Babel, to account for the word confuse, which is translated in Hebrew as Babel. In 1492, Christopher Columbus arrived in Haiti. At the time, the island was also referred to as Quisqueya or Boyo, and was divided into 5 areas called Cacica, which means kingdoms. Columbus traveled with 3 boats, and one of them sank. The chief or cacique of the area, Guacanagari, allowed Columbus to leave 30 men behind. On his return a year later, Columbus came back with more settlers and established the first permanent Spanish settlement in America. The Spaniards proceeded to enslave and kill most of the Tainos by the early 1500s. From 1898 to 1934, the United States engaged in a series of offensive wars across the entire American continent. We're talking Cuba, Panama, Honduras, Nicaragua, Haiti, Mexico, and the Dominican Republic. Those interventions were conducted by the US Marines. So, the United States waged war across an entire continent. They must have had a good reason, right? Nope. They did that over bananas. Freaking bananas. And in true American fashion, they've since labeled those countries as Banana Republic. Haiti is a country of the island of Hispaniola. Haiti shares its borders with the Dominican Republic. Although located on the same island, Haiti and the DR are very different. In the Dominican Republic, they speak Spanish. In Haiti, they speak Haitian Creole. The name Haiti comes from the Taino-Arawak word Haiti, which means land of mountains.